Welcome to the Filipino lesson for beginners. In this lesson, we shall primarily deal with responding to gratitude, expression of apology, and more aspects of self-introduction. In the first lesson, we have already learned how to express gratitude in Filipino language. Now, we will learn to give an appropriate response.
Walang anuman.
Is an expression which means, "You're welcome." This is a standard conversation between you and your Filipino friend. You were short of money, and your friend decided to pay on your behalf. You express gratitude by saying,
Salamat.
your friend replied.
Walang anuman.
We shall have a look at the conversation one more time.
Salamat. Walang anuman.
This is a formal conversation between you and your grandfather. Much to your delight, he gifted a collection of your favorite comic books. You responded in delight.
Maraming salamat po.
He replied joyfully.
Walang anuman po.
We shall have a look at the conversation one more time.
Maraming salamat po. Walang anuman po.
Now, we shall learn how to express apology in Filipino language.
Patawad.
Is a spontaneous way to apologize.
Patawarin.
Is the standard way to apologize. This is followed by
Mo.
which is used as the second person pronoun since
Ako.
is used as a first person pronoun.
Patawarin mo ako.
Is the standard way to say, "Please forgive me."
Paumanhin.
Is the formal way to apologize. Now, we shall learn to express an appropriate response when someone apologizes.
Ayos lang.
Is the standard way to say, "It's alright."
Pinapatawad na kita.
Is the standard way to say, "I am forgiving you already."
Kalimutan na natin.
Is the standard way to say, "Let's forget it." Indicating you are already moving on without bothering much about it. This is a conversation between you and your friend. You were supposed to meet your friend, but you arrived slightly delayed due to the traffic. You expressed apology.
Patawad.
Sorry. However, your friend also just arrived and was not bothered in any way and responded.
Ayos lang.
We shall have a look at the conversation one more time.
Patawad. Ayos lang.
Here is another conversation between you and your friend. You caused an inconvenience by accidentally spilling water at your friend's desk. You expressed a sincere apology, as your friend was just about to use that desk for some work.
Patawarin mo ako.
Please forgive me. Your friend was visibly annoyed, but still decided to defuse the matter and take it easy, and replied,
Pinapatawad na kita.
"I am forgiving you already." We shall have a look at the conversation one more time.
Patawarin mo ako. Pinapatawad na kita.
Here is another conversation between you and your friend. You had caused an inconvenience to your friend, which has been bothering you for quite a while. You took the opportunity to apologize again.
Patawarin mo ako.
Please forgive me. However, your friend had already moved on from the incident and replied,
Kalimutan na natin.
"Let's forget it." We shall have a look at the conversation one more time.
Patawarin mo ako. Kalimutan na natin.
This is a conversation between you and your boss. You were supposed to finish the work before the deadline, however it got delayed due to personal commitments. You conveyed your apologies to your boss.
Paumanhin po.
"Pardon me." However, your boss understood your situation and responded,
Ayos lang po.
"It is alright." We shall have a look at the conversation one more time.
Paumanhin po. Ayos lang po.
Now, we shall learn to express age in Filipino.
Taong gulang.
Refers to years old in literal translation.
Ilang taong gulang ka na?
Is the standard way to ask someone's age.
Ilang taong na po kayo?
Is the formal way to express the same. Given below is the standard way to express one's age. For example,
Ako ay 20 na taong gulang.
which means, I am 20 years old. This is a conversation between you and your classmate. Both of you are studying Filipino language for quite some time and want to practice some basic conversations. You started by asking your classmate's age.
Ilang taong gulang ka na?
How old are you? Your classmate responded.
Ako ay 20 na taong gulang, ikaw.
I am 20 years old. And you? You replied.
Ako ay 24 na taong gulang.
I am 24 years old. We shall have a look at the conversation one more time.
Ako ay 20 na taong gulang, ikaw. Ako ay 24 na taong gulang. Ako ay 24 na taong gulang.
This is a conversation between you and the CEO of a company. You were surprised to know that he was much younger than what you had anticipated earlier. You curiously asked,
Ilang taong na po kayo?
how old are you? The CEO replied with a smile.
Ako ay 35 taong gulang na po.
I am 35 years old. We shall have a look at the conversation one more time.
Ilang taong na po kayo? Ako ay 35 taong gulang na po.
Thank you for the patient learning. Stay tuned for more updates. If there are any doubts regarding the Filipino language, please feel free to ask questions in the comments section.